So I'm going to start by writing the title for this project. So I've got ways of drawing. So I'm creating two parallel lines with a ruler, just going about halfway from the page. And using those two lines, you can see they're not too far apart because we don't want our title too big. And just writing ways of drawing on there, making sure my letters reach both the top and the bottom. Once I've done that, I'm going over my letters in pen, nice and quick on there, to make my title nice and neat. And that also allows me to rub out the guidelines on here. Before I get started, I've measured about halfway of my page, which is about 15 centimeters, and created a line on here to help me lay out this in a way that's nice. So here I've got a title with the name of the artist and 1965 to present, which is his day of birth, and showing that the fact is still alive on there. And I've stuck a free example of the artist's work on here on my sketchbook page. For the pictures, for the two top ones, I'm going to write 3 or 4 words that I think describe the pictures using some of the language-specific vocabulary that we've learned on there. For the third one, I'm using a pen on here to draw this symmetry on the other side. Okay, and I'm writing down what I'm focusing on, the kind of pencil pressure and mark making on there. So in the space that's left on the page, I'm going to use it to copy some of the marks, and I can see on the drawings in general on here. It's got a little bit of hatching and cross hatching. Then I'm focusing on copying some of the patterns I can see on there, like all the little circles that represent the diamonds, and then the bigger diamonds with the smaller drop-shaped ones about it on there. And trying really to use my pen or pencil here to try to replicate some sections of the drawings as nicely as I can. Okay, so now I've done that. On the other side, I'm going to stick my example of For the Love of God on there. And I'm writing 4 or 5 facts that I can remember from the text we've read and the videos we've watched on there. So another skull is made of platinum, that it's got 8,601 diamonds. And I want to write a little bit about the symbolism on there as well. The diamonds represent life and beauty, and the skull represent deaths. And the meaning of the piece is that we should enjoy life because it's short and we might die soon on there. On there, that also put that you got someone else to make it. That's his idea, but you got someone else to make it. I like the artwork because it looks so different from anything else I've ever seen. And it's really striking with all those diamonds on there. The minus side that if you came to this idea, you really have to be quite rich to actually go on and make it, or have somebody make it for you.